Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Matt's World DIY. I can't believe I'm celebrating my 50th video entry today. I couldn't have done it without all of you, the great subscribers who are offering your support and love. I uploaded my very first video on my YouTube channel on October 7th, 2022, and I've experienced such tremendous growth since then. There's one video, pecan pie bars, that really boosted the stats on my channel. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put a link up here for you. You can check it out. Before I go, if you have any ideas of recipes or any kind of videos that you want to see, leave me a comment and tell me what kind of videos you want to see. I'll be happy to create something for you. In honor of posting 50 videos today, I've assembled a quick collage of video clips from my YouTube channel so far. I hope you enjoy, and I thank you again for your continued support. I'll see you next time. Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt. Hey, I'm Matt. Hey, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt. Hi, I'm Matt.